We think you would like to see another cute makeup look by Jasmine, right? Okay then, let's begin this fun look by prepping the skin and priming thoroughly. Applying foundation little by little to control the coverage. Blending it all in seamlessly using a beauty sponge because it doesn't leave streaks. Applying a light shade of concealer underneath the eyes with a flat brush. As well as on the chin, the bridge of the nose, and the forehead. Fully dispersing it into the foundation, leaving the skin looking bright and highlighted. Packing on some loose translucent powder to set the concealer so that there are no creases. Giving some warmth to the face with bronzer by applying it on the hollows of the face. Applying concealer on the eyelids as well to prime them so that the shadow sticks and blends better. More definition to the face with bronzer, elevating the cheekbones beautifully. Baking with powder underneath the bronzed up area to brighten it a bit. Making the cheeks rosy and glowy with blush and highlighter. Applying some tape on the outer corners of the eye to help with the eye look. Blending a beautiful nude shade as transition all over the lid using a fluffy brush. Smoking out the upper lash line and outer corner along the tape. To spruce up the look some more, she's applying some fine silver shimmer in the center. Finalizing the eye look with mascara on the natural lashes and a pair of falsies to match. Smoking out the lower lash line and lining the lips with a beautiful dark brown lip liner. She looks gorgeous.